Have you ever been curious about ways to boost your retirement funds? Our main goal is to identify financial strategies that will help you to realize your retirement goals. Previously, I made commitment to make video on topic dollar cost average. Thus, let's get straight to the point of discussion for today's topic. Imagine this. You have spent whole of your life to save and create a substantial retirement fund in search of bright tension-free future for your loved one. However, at the time of retirement, market instability becomes a major concern. In such situation, how do you protect your funds from the unpredictable fluctuations of the market? Dollar cost averaging strategy comes in as your financial guardian. But what exactly is dollar cost averaging, you might ask? Let me break it down for you. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy to manage price risk when you're buying stocks, instead of purchasing shares at a single price point. With dollar cost averaging, you buy in smaller amounts at regular intervals, regardless of price. You can see on our screen in first month bought 20 shares $5 each, so invested $100. In second month bought 20 shares $5 each, so invested $100. In third month bought 50 shares or $2 each, so invested $100. In fourth month bought 25 shares or $4 each, so invested $100. In fifth month bought 20 shares or $5 each, so invested $100. So in total bought 135 shares with average rate of $3.70. By this technique, investor can gain the benefit of third month, due to which average cost reduced to $3.70 rather than $5. Now again on screen you can see impact of rate without dollar cost average. When investors purchase securities over time at regular intervals, they decrease the risk of paying too much before market prices drop. Prices don't only move one way, of course, but if you divide up your purchase and make multiple buys, you maximize your chances of paying a lower average price over time. Let's now adopt this approach to the phase of life-termed retirement. Jane and John, a couple on the brink of retirement. They have saved carefully throughout the years, but they are concerned that during times of market fluctuation, their funds may be drained. But don't worry, dollar cost averaging might just be your lifeline. Let's watch how Jane and John implement their plan. As retirement approaches, Jane and John make the decision to shift a portion of their portfolio into more conservative investments in an effort to increase income and stability. However, many are reluctant to throw all of their savings into the market at once due to concern that they may lose money if they buy at the highest price. They choose to use dollar cost averaging altogether. Regardless of the state of the market, people invest a set amount into the funds of their choice each month, as seen in our previous example. In certain months, when prices decline, they purchase more shares. In other months, when prices rise, they purchase fewer shares. However, their investments eventually equalize, which may reduce difficulties on the route to retirement. In between all this, if our channel gives you value, please do not forget to subscribe the channel, as your little support will give us more strength to make more valuable contents. Now come back to our example. Now, let's fast forward a few years. Jane and John have successfully navigated the ups and downs of the market, thanks to their disciplined approach to investing. Although they have not completely eliminated risk, they've mitigated its impact, positioning themselves for a more secure retirement. Although dollar cost averaging isn't a guarantee that will ensure success, it is a valuable tool to minimize the risk in your financial investment, particularly when approaching retirement. You may lower your chance of timing the market and raise your chances of reaching your retirement objectives by diversifying your investments over time. Thank you for joining with us as we explore the dollar cost averaging technique for retirees. Keep in mind that financial planning is a journey rather than a race. So, until the next time, good investing, and remember to be informed and disciplined.